Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Do you have sensitive skin but want to try vitamin C serum? This serum from Biossance is the right one for you. This is the Biossance Squalane and Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. So it comes in a 30 milliliter dark glass bottle, which helps keeps the integrity of the vitamin C. And another feature I love is that it comes as a pump. This helps avoid getting any bacteria or oxygen in the formula. That way it remains pure and unchanged. This formula is very lightweight. It just melts into your skin. And I love that it just brightens and firms your skin without any irritation. So I usually apply this serum in the morning after cleansing my skin. And what I love about it is that I feel that it instantly brightens my face. Another thing that I've noticed that over time, it's also helped correct some of my dark spots that I've had from acne marks. I think you'll love this product just as much as I do, but that's just my point of view.